Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. The Teletubbies are very hungry for some Tubby Custard. How about we make some Tubby Custard, Tinky Winky? Hey-oh! Tubby Custard! Oh dear! The Tubby Custard machine has broken and Tubby Custard is everywhere. Poor Tinky Winky. Tinky Winky is covered in Tubby Custard. Let's help Tinky Winky get out, Noo Noo. Oh, are you okay, Tinky Winky? Hey-oh, Tubby Custard. Good job, Noo Noo. Thank you for cleaning all the Tubby Custard up. Thank goodness we got Tinky Winky out of there. Well, we'll have to try this again because the Teletubbies are still hungry. Okay, this time Lala's going to try and make some Tubby Custard at the Tubby Custard machine. Lala, Tubby Custard, hey-oh. Shh. Oh dear, Noo Noo got Tubby Custard all over him. Poor Noo Noo. How are we going to get Noo Noo out? Let's use the little Noo Noo. Hi, little Noo Noo. Good job, little Noo Noo. Oh, it looks like the Teletubbies will not be having Tubby Custard today. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.